Hello everyone, I have a question for you. 2 cubed divided by 4 divided by 2 plus 6 times 3 minus 1. This question can be solved by obeying PEMDAS rule. Now, what is PEMDAS? Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So parentheses is in this question. So first of all, we will solve parentheses, then exponent. So exponent is also there. So 2 power 3 is equal to 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 plus 6 times 3 minus 1. Now parentheses, here divided by 4 is equal to who divided by 2 plus 6 times 3 minus 1. Here 2 divided by 2, we will get 1 plus 6 times 3 minus 1. Now here, but multiplication and addition and subtraction, but we will prefer multiplication according to PEMDAS rule. So 1 plus 6 times 3, we will get 18 minus 1. Here, 1 plus 18 is equal to 19 minus 1, and 19 minus 1 is equal to 18. Or you can cancel 1 and minus 1. It is also an option to you. So our answer will be 18. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.